Seventh grade teacher Anissa Brown got a pleasant surprise this week from Nebraska Farm Bureau Foundation for Agriculture. Foundation staff and Farm Bureau members, along with Brown's family, paid an unexpected visit to her classroom to present her with the Teacher of the Year award.
Winning the Egg in the Classroom award has been a surprise but a delight as well.
Brown currently teaches 7th grade science at Pound Middle School in Lincoln. She enhances her lessons with an agricultural perspective by connecting with farmers and ranchers in Nebraska through the Foundation's Ag Pen Pal program. She says it's important to show the diversity of agriculture across the state.
How important it is for us to really work together to provide food and products to the rest of the world. And so my being able to expose that kind of process and those kinds of things to my classroom, it makes my students a little bit more understanding of why Nebraska is such an important farm and ranching state.
Judy Roach, a 4th grade teacher at North Elementary in Sidney, was also honored recently. Roach's classroom participates in the Ag Pen Pal program and have been able to take a virtual field trip of a Farm Bureau member's farm. As part of the award, each teacher will receive an all-expense-paid trip to the National Agriculture in the Classroom Conference in Arizona this June. For Nebraska Farm Bureau, I'm Cassie Hobelheinrich.